Hey, everyone had played this game at least once in your lifetime and also lose like this. So in this video, I will show you how to run endlessly with your dino like this and also see the maximum score of this game. So let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser and type Chrome colon / and type Dino. Make sure you have no internet connection. Then right click and select Inspect. And just type this code. You can also get this code in description. You can speed up your dino by varying set speed limit. Guys, the maximum score of this game is 6-digit number, that is 9,99,999. That's all guys for today's session. If you like this video, give like and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like this. And then bye. I will see you next time.